Touch Balayage. Hi, my name is Rochelle Levitsky, and I'm a portfolio educator with L'Oreal Professional. Today I'll be sharing my approach to an Touch Balayage. I'll be using Blond Studio 8 with bonder, 20 volume in the back, 30 volume on the sides and the top, and the face framing hairs for my money piece, and on the sides I'll be using 20 volume on the sensitive hair to prevent damage. With this technique, I section out a thin section, take my blow dryer, blow out all the shorter hairs, which creates the softest, most seamless blend, pull them down and place my foil in between the section. I will be painting the darker areas. It has been 6 months since she's had her last balayage done, Touch Balayage. Saturation is key, and I like to go in at an angle with my brush near the new growth to get as close as possible without oversaturating near the roots. I fold off the foil. Because it is in foil, I'm getting maximum levels of lift. First, I started with a new product by L'Oreal Professional. It is called Metal Detox. It's the newest innovation. It took 7 years to make. It has 9 patents, and what it does is it neutralizes the metals in the hair. How does it do that? It has 4 products in the line: a neutralizing pre-treatment, an anti-metal cleansing cream, a anti-deposit back bar treatment, and an anti-deposit mask. How it works is there's an active ingredient called glycoamine, and this active ingredient goes deep inside the cortex and neutralizes any metals that are in the hair. Why is it important? Because metals live deep inside the hair and they can interfere with our lightening and coloring process. Using this treatment will help prevent 87% less damage when lightening and give 100% color result. First, I take the neutralizing spray pre-treatment and spray 1 to 2 pumps on each section of the hair and brush it through. After that, I apply my lightener and color right away. The only way that Metal Detox works is if you're using a lightener or a color. It's specifically made to be used with these 2 products. What it does is it jumps on board the lightener or color as its driver and drives itself into the cortex and neutralizes any metals in the hair. If used by itself, it will not have anything to help it penetrate into the hair. So please always use with color and lightener. This product has a powdery texture, which is great for when you're doing balayage. It gives a bit of grip. Here you can see I am painting and folding all the way up. The next section is where I'm going to start leaving some depth. I'm going to split the section in 2 to create depth by leaving some hair out. I will take my blow dryer and blow out those hairs still from the top section, separate them, place my foil in between, and paint those sections of hair. You can see my tension is really strong to hold that hair smooth and straight. This helps me apply my lightener and penetrates through the hair for maximum saturation. Fun fact here, let's fold the hair in, not swirl it. Swirling it can cause damage. We want to be very gentle when applying lightener to the hair. I will continue in this area of the head, in the middle of the head, to section and drop out a piece of my subsection for depth. When we have depth, it allows the light pieces to pop. Really making sure I'm separating those sections, applying the lightener to the darkest areas. Now on top, I changed my technique. You'll see here that I am folding that hair in that's dark. I'm just applying and leaving the ends out. On the top, I changed my technique. I've changed it to baby lights. I wanted a little bit more separation on the top. And at the end, I gloss it with Dialight for my step 2. This will give it extra shine, neutralize any of the warm tones in the hair. This is such a great approach for a really seamless, soft-looking balayage. The regrowth of the color is beautiful. Thank you for watching. Please follow and like for more.